to Rohan.
Hi guys, this is Abby, new content creator and beginner din sa Rohan 2. So, gagawa tayo ng video about Rohan 2 Global. Simple introduction para sa different class nito. Kaya kung beginner ka tulad ko at di mo alam kung anong class ang bagay sa'yo, this video is good for you. So, keep watching. O sa mga master dyan, enlighten me na lang kung bali ang mga sinasabi ko, okay? So, let's start. Rohan 2 is a fast-paced, massively multiplayer online role-playing game na may open world, dungeon grinding at character progression. Ang goal mo dito, mag-level up, mag-farm, mag-gear at maging strongest version ng character mo, and pwede ka rin kumitan dito. So let's discuss about its different class. Human or Knight. Kasi ito sa pinaka-beginner friendly. Tibay, mataas ang defense at perfect para maging frontline. Meron itong dalawang subclass. Pag level 50 ka na, pwede ka nang pumili ng subclass. Ganon din sa ibang class, need mong mag-level 50. So kapag level 50 ka na, pwede ka nang pumili ng subclass ng human. It's either Defender, ito yung super tanky, high defense, crowd control. And then yung isa is Guardian, damage-oriented at mas mataas ang DPS. Pangalawa, Elf, ang healer and mage class ng game. Madali siyang gamitin, mataas ang utility at laging may spot sa party. Pero gaya ng human, need mo din mag-level 50 para mamili ng subclass. Ang first is Templar, pure magic at damage. And then yung isa is Priest, full healer and full support naman ito. Third is Half-Elf or Archer. Ang Half-Elf Archer ay long-range DPS. Malakas ang damage pero medyo malambot, kaya kailangan ng positioning at timing. Ang subclass nito is Ranger, high single target crit. Scout, fast attack speed, mobility at balance AoE. Next naman si Dan or Assassin. Advanced siya at isa sa pinakamalakas sa burst, but not recommended for beginners kasi medyo mahirap. Mabilis kasing mamatay and kailangan ng timing at stealth management. Ang subclass niya is Avenger, stealth focus assassin, and yung isa is Predator, skill based burst combos. And lastly, si Dekan, Dragon Fighter, beginner friendly kasi sustain DPS, tanky fighter, and may lifesteal. At may transformation pa. Napaka-solid pang farm at mataas ang sustain kahit solo lang siya. So, ang subclass naman nito is Dragon Knight, physical DPS. And then yung Dragon Sage, magic-based AoE nuker. So kung beginner ka, pinaka-safe na simulan ay human, half or decan. Kung gusto mo ng semi-challenge, pwede ang half-elf. And kung high skill gameplay ang hanap mo, doon ka naman sa Dan. After level 50, pwede kang pumili ng subclass. Basta kompleto ka sa required subclass item ng class mo. Choose your class, enjoy grinding, and welcome to Rohan 2 Global. Thank you for watching. Bye!